Hello back again, dear students. I'm here again with you for another lesson of today. So let's get started and to see which lesson do we have. Yes, we have lesson 5 on page 108. So open your books and be with me. Ready? If you're ready, say 1, 2, 3, go, go. Yes, we are here. Okay, the first question of this lesson is I want you to look at the two boys um, in this text and writing. Look at the pictures only, the first one and the second one. Let me ask you a question. Why do you think these boys are heroes? Why do you think they are heroes? Yes. What do you think? Because of what? I'm sure you know. Try to think. Yeah, what is it? Guess what? Okay, you want to listen and then tell me? It's fine for me. So let's go and listen and tell me, why do you think these boys are heroes? You know heroes? Heroes like champions, like they are like Superman and these one like they're super people, superheroes. Okay? So go and listen and answer my question. 1, 2, 3.
Listening 110. Listen and read.
Young Heroes. Boy helps earthquake victims. Charlie Simpson from England watched the news on TV about a strong earthquake in Haiti and felt very sad. Charlie was only 7 years old, but he wanted to help the people in Haiti. He decided to do a sponsored bike ride around his local park to raise money for UNICEF, a large charity which helps children around the world. Charlie started a web page to ask people to sponsor his bike ride for UNICEF. Soon, lots of people heard about Charlie's idea, including the British Prime Minister. Lots of people sponsored Charlie, and his bike ride raised £136,000 to help the victims of the Haiti earthquake. Boy starts Clean Water Charity. Ryan Hurljack from Canada was 6 years old when his teacher, Mrs. Prest, told his class about a big problem in Africa. Many people there don't have clean water. Because of this, they often get ill. Ryan wanted to help, so he started doing chores for money. It took several months, but Ryan finally raised $2,000 to pay for a well near a school in Uganda. Ryan was happy, but he wanted to do more. He started a charity called Ryan's Well Foundation. Since 1999, Ryan's foundation has raised millions of dollars to provide clean water to people in Africa.
Very good job for the listening. So I'm sure now you got the answer why we call them heroes. Why are they heroes? Because number one, let's read it together and we will highlight the answer together. Boy helps earthquake victims. Uh, the boy, the blue one on the bike, he helped some people on an earthquake. Ah, by the way, last night it was an earthquake. Did you felt it? It was kind of strong, yeah. Oh, I felt it, but as you know, I didn't run out. Did you? Hmm. If you did, I think it's a good idea. Okay, Charlie Simpson from England watched the news on TV about a strong earthquake in Haiti and felt very sad. Okay, he watched the news that it was a strong earthquake and he was very sad. Charlie was only 7 years old, but he wanted to help people in Haiti. So he started to help people. He said, I will help those people that they lost their houses because of the earthquake. Their houses are destroyed or they don't have money to live. They don't have food. So he started to think of helping people. He decided to do a sponsored bike ride uh, around his local park to raise money for UNICEF. So he started to collect money by what? By riding bike and people give him money around his local park for UNICEF. What's UNICEF? UNICEF is a large charity which helps children around the world. Like it's a large organization for helping children around the world. Like Charlie started a web page, like let's say a Facebook page or something of that like, to ask people to sponsor his bike ride for UNICEF. He asked people to give him money. Like, let's say what happened. Soon, lots of people heard about Charlie's idea. So Charlie's idea was become very popular all over the world, including the British Prime Minister. British Prime Minister tried to help. Lots of people sponsored Charlie, and his bike ride raised £136,000 to help the victims of the Haiti earthquake. See, so he collected a lot of money just by riding bike and advertising through his webpage. See, so why he's hero? Because he helped a lot of victims, those who lost their house and they don't have anything to eat or drink, so he helped them. Let's go to number two. Why he's a hero. Boy starts clean water charity. Uh-huh. Oh, now you ask me, teacher, why clean water? Because a lot of countries they don't have that clean water that we do have it. A lot of countries they will boil their water, then they will eat. They will drink the water because they don't have enough uh, sources of clean water. So let's say Ryan from Canada was 6 years old when his teacher, Miss Prest, told his class about a big problem in Africa. Many people there don't have clean water. See, I told you before. Because of this, they often get ill. If you don't drink clean water, what happens? You will get ill. You'll be sick. Ryan wanted to help, so he started doing chores for money. He started like doing something, doing a job, a great thing to what? To raise money. It took several months, but Ryan finally raised $2,000 to pay for a well. What's well? Later, I will show you the picture of well. It's a source of water near a school in Uganda. Ryan was happy, but he wanted to do more. So he collected some money and he did something great. But did he stop? No. He was continuing in his great job. He started a charity called Ryan's Well Foundation. Since 1999, Ryan's Foundation has raised millions of dollars, collected millions of dollars to provide clean water to people in Africa. So they collect a lot of money and they did what? Many projects to help people reach clean water in Africa. So why he's hero? Because he helped a lot of people to get clean water in Africa. So far it's clear, right? I will explain some of the terms later, okay? Now I want you to read the text again and kindly underline these words and tell me the meanings. Hero, earthquake, sponsored, bike ride, raise money, charity, well, chose. Okay, so ready? Okay, go and find them. Find all of them. Shall we go and find them together? Say yes. I couldn't hear you. Say yes. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Here are my answers. Okay. Number one, heroes. Heroes, we said what? Champions. Those people that they do something great. We call them what? Heroes. Like why we call them heroes? Because one of them helped some people during the earthquake, and the other one, Ryan, helped some people to get clean water. So they are what? Heroes. Number two is what? Earthquake. You know what's earthquake? Earthquake when you are sitting down and you see your house is moving to the right and to the left, right, left, right, left, then everything is shaking in the house. See? So this is an earthquake. Like the one that I felt it last night. Okay. The third word is sponsored. Sponsored means, um, like for example, we have a poor family. I'll talk about this poor family for you. Then each one of you will give me, uh, let's say, $1. Then I will collect around $200. Then I will give it to that family. Then what did I do? I helped that family. And who sponsored that great work? You, all the students. You collected what? The money. So it means what? You sponsored. Okay? So when you give money to do something great or to do a job, you sponsor. Okay? You sponsor something. So you sponsored me to help the poor family, hopefully in the future. And bike ride, riding bike. How did Charlie help people? By riding bike around his local park, right? Raise money. Do you remember we helped the poor family? How? We did what? We raised money. I've asked you to give me $1, each one of you. Then all we collected $200 and we gave it to the poor family. So it's what? Raising money, collecting money. Okay. Uh, charity. Next word is charity. Charity is a very nice activity to help people, to help people. Like not always giving money. Sometimes there are some charity activities to help to give people clean water. Yeah, to give people something nice, some advice. This is charity. Charity is everywhere. Okay. Uh, so when you will grow up like gentlemen and women, I hope everyone will do some charities in their life. Okay. So ready to do it? Some charity, some good works to help people. That's charity. Yes, you do, right? Uh, chores. He started doing some chores for money, like some job. Start doing something to help people and to get some money. And of course, we have what? We have well. What's well? So let me see. Oh, it comes. Can you see the picture of well? Yeah, it's a source of water. Yeah, you will take out water in this well. So he started doing this in what in where? In Uganda to help people get clean water. Okay, so that's it. Ready to go for next exercise? Yes, we do. Let's go. Any question? If you have any question, I will be happy to answer all the questions. If you have a question, just um, message me in the Telegram and I'll be happy to answer all the questions. Let's go to next exercise. Circle and correct the wrong words. Okay, let's read it. You tell me which word is wrong. Charlie decided to do a sponsored bike ride around his town. Oh, town is wrong. Around his park. Number two, UNICEF helps children around the country. Around the country. What's the wrong word? I don't know. You tell me. What's the correct word? Shout, I can't hear you. Ah, okay, let's see. Number three, Charlie started a magazine to ask people to sponsor him. Did he start a magazine or what? I don't know. You tell me. Number four, many people in Africa don't have clean air. Is it clean air? I don't know. You tell me. Number five, Ryan raised money to pay for a school. Is it true? So, do you want to go and read it again? Pause the video, go and read it, and then come back, close your eyes, and when you open, you will see that all the answers are here. Number one is town is wrong instead of town, his park. Number two, UNICEF helps children around the world, not the country, right? Around the world. Number three, Charlie started a magazine. No, not magazine, a web page. Number four, many people in Africa don't have clean what? Clean water, not clean air, right? The last one, Ryan raised money to pay for a school. No, to pay for a well, the source of water. Do you see? Did you remember the picture? Yes, you do. You are smart. Great job. So I guess it's the end of this lesson as well. Many thanks for your listening and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.